Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. We've already had our deep freeze in my area and all of my plants are dead except for the perennials. But I have not harvested my peanuts yet. So in this video, we're gonna be harvesting my peanuts and we will see if it is possible to keep the peanuts still tasting good even after your first frost day. The peanuts were planted in this area. I put a drip irrigation, so this is one of them. So first thing that we're gonna do is to pull this drip irrigation away from the plants. Okay, I have some landscape pins here that I put to hold the drip irrigation in place. So as the drip irrigation right there, I think there's another landscape pin in here somewhere, or maybe it just got stuck into the weeds. Okay, so there's another landscape pin. But this area is so weedy, guys. I feel like in some areas of my garden this year, the weeds have defeated me, but there are still some wins because although there are so many weeds in here, I have some crops growing in this area. So we just need to see how much we get from this peanuts garden. It's right there. Okay, so I'm going to continue moving this drip irrigation away and then we're gonna start harvesting. It took me about 30 minutes to get all of this pulled from the ground, and look at this peanuts, guys. Look at that, that's so exciting. As you can see, there are still some smaller peanuts that have not developed yet, but it's already the end of the season, so they have to come out of the ground. This is actually a good amount of harvest from 2 small rows of peanuts. So all I have to do now is to take these peanuts off the plants, and then we're gonna see how much peanuts we've harvested from the 2 rows. This is our harvest. This is actually a good amount of peanuts from 2 little rows. I'm so excited to eat this. As you can see, there are some dirt on the shells of the peanuts. That's because the ground is still wet. We got at least a couple of inches of rain before the deep freeze, so it's still wet in the ground, but I have to harvest the peanuts today so I can continue working here in my garden. I need to harvest my sweet potatoes as well and set up my greenhouse. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I'm gonna see you next time.